Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute and easy crochet scrunchie, so keep on watching. Alright guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to use some scraps of the cotton yarn, and I'm gonna use a scrunchie, a jig hook which is a 4.5 millimeter, and some scissors and a yarn needle. Okay, I will leave all the materials that I use in the description box if you want to check it out. So let's get started. So for this scrunchie, I'm using a size 3 cotton yarn, and this one is from Crochet and it's a cotton blend, and I think it works great for this scrunchie. But if you don't have this, you can find any other size 3 to substitute if you would like. And my scrunchie is actually I think I got it at the dollar store or Walmart, I don't remember. So it's about 2 inches across. Okay, so I'm gonna start by making a slip knot, and I'm gonna place my hair tie in the front of the yarn. Okay, and then I'm gonna insert my hook inside and make a single crochet. Okay, so that's my first single crochet, and now we're just going to single crochet around our hair tie. Okay, so I'm just going to do that all the way around, and for mine I did a total of 53 single crochet. So I'm just going to do that, and yeah, I will see you back when you finish with this. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you as you go, I just push my stitches down the hair tie here. So so yeah, like I said, I was able to make 53 stitches all the way around. But if you have a bigger scrunchie, you can make more stitches, or if it's smaller, you just make less. You just kind of see how much your hair tie can take. Okay, but if you have one similar to mine, try making 53 and you should be fine. Okay, so now I finished my 53 stitches, and I'm going to join to that very first single crochet that we made the beginning here. And now I'm just going to slip stitch in that first single crochet that I made, and I'm going to chain 2, and that's going to count as a stitch. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch half double crochet. Hopefully you're familiar with it. It was the last stitch tutorial that I made on my channel. But if not, I will link it and you can watch it. So I'm going to make one in that same stitch, 1 half double crochet slip stitch, okay, so there's my first one, and then on the next stitch I'm just going to make 1 half double crochet slip stitch. So remember this, because this one counted as a stitch, I only made one in that same stitch, so that makes 2. And then I made one on the next one, and then that next stitch is going to be 2 half double crochet slip stitch in that same stitch. All right, so that's going to be the repeat. So after 2 half double crochet slip stitch, you're going to make 1, and then 2, and then 1, and then 2 in that same stitch. All right, and so as you go, you'll notice how the ruffles are forming. And this is just one row repeat, you guys. It's going to go super fast, and the final result is going to look like this. Really cute. I still need to weave the end from this, but yeah, they are super cute, you guys. I think this size is perfect for like kids, and also I like to use them when you like tie your braids, and I'll see if I can insert a picture at the end of how that looks. But if you can find a bigger scrunchie, just add more single crochets around and just repeat the same pattern all the way across, and you should be fine. But look at that, it's so cute. I love the ruffles. I love how they look. Super cute and fast and easy. So I'll just show you how to close this when you get to the end here. Okay, so here I'm just going to make my last my last half double crochet slip stitch. Guys, there's so many stitches, I get them confused. All right, so remember that chain 2 at the beginning of the round. I'm just going to slip stitch to that chain 2, and that's going to close our scrunchie. Sorry, I cut this off before. So yeah, you're just gonna grab your yarn needle and whatever you have left, which in my case not much, but you're just going to weave the ends. See if I can, yeah, there's no way I can make that. Let's pretend I have a big tail and I have to weave in my ends, okay? So just weaving your ends on the back and you should be fine. All right. All right, guys, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you guys make this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag TWC Handmade, and so I can feature you on my Instagram. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.